Welcome inside a new modern house interior designed for timeless luxury living, where architecture is not just seen, but experienced. Every line, texture, and shadow has been curated to balance elegance with warmth, minimalism with depth. This is not a home designed for trends, but for permanence, where luxury whispers instead of shouts. From the first exterior glance to the most intimate interior detail, this house tells a story of refined living, precision, and quiet confidence. The front view sets the architectural language of the entire home. Clean geometric volumes are softened by warm wood textures and natural stone, while expansive glass panels invite light without compromising privacy. Subtle architectural lighting traces the structure at dusk, revealing depth and proportion. This facade is not designed to impress loudly, but to endure, timeless, balanced, and unmistakably premium. It introduces a house that values restraint, clarity, and confidence over excess. Stepping into the living room, the home opens into a refined dialogue between space and light. Contemporary furniture in soft neutral tones anchors the room, while layered textures, stone, fabric, and wood, add warmth and depth. Floor-to-ceiling windows dissolve the boundary between indoors and outdoors, creating an atmosphere that feels expansive yet intimate. This is a living space designed not for decoration, but for living beautifully, where every element serves comfort and calm. The master bedroom is a retreat defined by serenity and proportion. A restrained palette enhances the feeling of calm, while premium materials elevate the experience without overwhelming it. Soft indirect lighting wraps the room in warmth, and minimal furnishings allow the architecture to breathe. Every detail supports rest and refinement, creating a private sanctuary that reflects the home's philosophy, luxury that soothes rather than impresses. The kitchen blends precision with elegance, designed as both a functional workspace and a social centerpiece. Sleek cabinetry conceals advanced appliances, while marble surfaces and warm wood accents provide timeless character. Integrated lighting highlights textures and edges, adding depth and contrast. This is a kitchen where design supports daily rituals, transforming routine moments into refined experiences without sacrificing practicality. The mezzanine introduces vertical elegance to the home's spatial flow. Glass railings preserve openness while offering visual connection to the living areas below. Natural light filters across warm flooring, enhancing the sense of continuity. This space feels suspended yet grounded, ideal for reflection, reading, or quiet moments. It reinforces the architectural idea that luxury lies in openness, balance, and thoughtful transitions. The bathroom is designed as a private spa experience. Marble surfaces reflect soft ambient lighting, while minimalist fixtures maintain visual clarity. Every line is intentional, every material chosen for both beauty and longevity. The result is a space that invites stillness, where time slows, and daily routines become moments of restoration and calm. The front yard extends the architectural narrative into the landscape. Sculpted greenery, stone pathways, and subtle lighting complement the facade without competing with it. The design emphasizes arrival, creating a sense of calm transition from the outside world into the home. This outdoor space reinforces the idea that luxury begins before the front door is ever opened. The rooftop transforms elevation into experience. Contemporary outdoor furnishings, soft lighting, and open views create an atmosphere of refined escape. Whether overlooking the city or surrounding nature, this space celebrates openness and perspective. It is not designed for excess, but for presence, where luxury is defined by space, air, and horizon. The working room balances productivity with elegance. Clean lines, warm shelving, and natural light create a focused yet inviting environment. Minimal decor eliminates distraction, allowing architecture and function to lead. This space reflects a modern lifestyle, where work integrates seamlessly into the home without disrupting its sense of calm. The backyard offers a private extension of indoor luxury. A minimalist pool, refined seating, and layered lighting create an atmosphere of relaxation and retreat. Materials mirror the interior palette, ensuring visual continuity. As daylight fades, the space transforms into a tranquil evening setting, perfect for reflection, conversation, and quiet enjoyment. Inside this new modern house interior designed for timeless luxury living, every detail serves a purpose: clarity, comfort, and enduring elegance. This is not architecture built to follow trends, but to outlast them. A home where luxury is felt, not flaunted, and where design becomes a lasting expression of refined living.